So this PPT is visible. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as per our usual agenda of every Sunday, we will discuss in brief about our five mindset which we are using. So the first one is the active income. As I used to say every time that we must have some active income, which help us to fulfill our day-to-day financial requirements. If we solely depend on the stock market trading, then many times we need to cut our position in loss also, or we need to compromise our profit also. So this is the first thing that we must have some portion of our income should be from our active income section, so that we can fulfill our basic requirements from that active income part, and from trading we can fulfill our esteem needs. Second one is the learning. See, in stock market, learning is a continuous process. We cannot say that I am expert in the market. Every day we are getting something new in the stock market, and every time we need to refine our strategies. We need not to change the strategies, but we need to refine our strategies to increase the percentage of our profitable trades. So it is a continuous learning process. Then the third and most important thing is the rules. We must have some of our rules, and we must have to stick on to those rules. These rules could be your entry and exit criteria, your positioning, sizing kind of rules, or the rules related with your risk, what kind of risk you want to take. So you must have some rules. I hope everyone is having rules. If anyone has any problems to create the rules, you can connect me in one-to-one session. I will help you out how to make rules according to your risk appetite. Then next one is the morning routine. So in morning routine, we must have consist of some kind of meditation, some kind of workout, or the exercise, whatever you prefer to do, and spend 15 minutes or 20 minutes to see the various charts or the stocks you are holding, any news related to those particular stocks if you are holding any things, or to monitor the global market as well as, and to monitor the trade market trend also. So this morning, when you will do all these things in the morning, you will with a fresh mind, you can have a good confidence on the day. And the next one is the goal implementation, which we are discussing in our next slide and this slide. What kind of goal we must have? So we must have smart goals. Smart, I am telling you the every time smart means specific. You must have the specific target to achieve. Whatever target or goal we are setting, it should be a measurable also. It should be achievable also. It should not be like that daydreaming kind of the things. It should be realistic also, and there should be a deadline of the time. So it should be of time based also. Now move to the market trend, how market is looking. As everyone, we all are aware, the kind of exit poll is coming. We may see the big trend, but we respect our strategies and our chart and our indicators. So if we see the Nifty, Nifty index, which consists the top 50 company, it is giving us a reversal kind of thing, but still it is not close our buy range or the our AMA line. So it is still below our AMA line, but it give a gap up open. As I mentioned in our WhatsApp group also, don't jump and start to buy in FOMO. Tomorrow, maybe due to short covering, you may see a big gap up opening, but I feel it will not be sustainable. So tomorrow, just keep control on your FOMO. Don't jump and buy if you have the position, and if you are finding it is extended or giving unexpected return in short term, try to book those positions also. So Nifty currently is not in buy range. it is below our AMA line. So we need to wait for the crossover of this, but maybe possibly tomorrow it may open above our AMA line. So according to the risk, you can take position. So a similar way, the mid cap index is also having the same, and the small cap index is also having the same situation. So tomorrow we may see gap up opening, but whether that gap up is sustainable or not will be come into the picture by second half of the trading. So tomorrow just monitor first half. You must have to monitor the things whether this gap up opening or the move is sustainable or not. Anyone has any doubt up to here, or can we move forward?
No doubt, sir. All clear.
Okay.
Can we book profit in case if you want in
Yeah,
first half?
sure, Karthik. If you are finding that it is extended, as I did in the HL, I booked 50% because I seen that HL is almost 70% away from its 200-day EMA. So I booked 50%. So if you are finding any of your holding is far away from that 200-day EMA, or it is on upper circuit, unexpected upper circuit of 20% is done, then partial profit booking can be done in satellite portfolio also.
Okay, thanks.
Tomorrow's move will be basically on the exit call, and it is not necessary that whatever came into the exit call will be the 100% sure. So the exact thing will happen on the 5th or in the 4th, when the actual results will start to come. So if you are finding some unexpected move in your satellite portfolio, try to book and in case your opportunities.
Okay.
Then okay. Then this is one. There are two more interested index. IAD monitor is giving good buying opportunities or very near to the our buying range. So the one is the PSU bank, and if you see most of the PSU bank has given 3 to 5% of the move yesterday, and all the PSUs banks are also having the same kind of setup on daily chart. They are just onto the AMA line. So you can see if there should not be any big gap up opening is there, then you can take position in PSU banks tomorrow or PSCs companies like HAL, BEL, BHEL, whatever PSU companies you are finding near to the your risk or the with the less risk, you can take those stocks, or you can make your watch list today itself. So tomorrow you can in the morning itself you can monitor the chart and you can take the position. Then the next one is the realty index. It is just try to give the breakout. If you see the most of the realty index, whether it is Brigade, Soba, whatever the name you see, most of the stocks are giving or crossing the entry point. So you can look for these two index. Remaining all the indexes having the same kind of setup which we have seen in Nifty, mid cap and small cap. So most of the index are below the AMA line. So we don't know what will happen tomorrow. So if it will give the gap up opening in all the index, then we can look for the low risk entry kind of things. Hope up to here everyone is clear. So we will discuss the success story of last
Bhupesh
week.
bhai.
Yeah.
Hello, Bhupesh bhai.
Yes.
Wo gap up, if it opens gap up, okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
as soon as it open gap up means then our risk will increase, na?
Yeah,
In
our
case
risk
if
will
it
increase, but if we have
uh,
something in our portfolio,
uh,
then we can think for the book. If it is unexpected move,
okay, means we can book at that time. We can take advantage of that.
yeah, we need to monitor for initial 1 hour whether it is
Uh,
gap up opening is sustainable or the red candle is start to form.
okay.
So we need to monitor the after gap up whether market is sustainable or not, whether
Uh-huh.
further buying is coming or the sellers are again becoming heavy and they
Active.
started to sell.
Correct. Okay.
So the last week we have to grant success. The first one was Grindwell Norton, which we catch around 2300. And on hourly chart, it is given exit around 2650. So we get almost 12% return. Then after this exit, see why I am always telling to respect to our exit criteria. See, here it has given exit. After even see the next candle, how big fall has came into the stock. And still it is below our buying range. So always respect this. If we bought on the hourly chart, respect your exit. You can wait to the for the close, but don't wait for such big candle to be formed. So this is one success. And the second success was Exicom. Though I have not taken position in Exicom, but this stock has given terrific return, almost 17% return in 2 days. From 271, it is given exit on 314. So almost 17 to 18% return has been made in 2 days. Then next to the failure case. The failure case is the Nuama, which we took position on the daily chart. Now, when I monitor both of these, both the success and the one failure, the major difference which I monitor why our trade has been failed in the Nuama case, I have seen these particular things. When we took position in Exicom or in Grindwell Norton, in the both the case, this positive DI has crossed the negative DI, which is the basic requirement which we have. But in case of Nuvama, this was completely missing. So in future, we need to see for this also, whatever position we are making, whether this positive DI is crossing negative DI or not. So this is what the learning I had learned with the case of failure, with the failure case of Nuvama. Though I also made the position Nuvama, it is failed with the market, but we have to respect. And I had exited here when the close was below the AMA line, and AMA line become red. So I had booked with 4% of loss, but it's okay. It's part of game. But we need to respect our system. But this is also a learning which I learned from the failure of Nuama. So this is what the end. Watch list I had share with each one of you. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One of the success maybe Aditya Vilma, Adani Vilma was taken somewhere here when it came in the our screener while touching to the our bottom cloud. No, I say cloud.
Yeah.
So I see about from here about 9%.
This stock is above all the moving average, so it may give good result.
So I see maybe it is 9%, but I see in my account around 6% up move.
Okay.
That is one success. And another success I see BAC based on your recommendation. Then failure is maybe I can say PVR Inox, which again was taken maybe some this position around this position.
Okay.
So I see little bit minus side. So this month was little tough, I can say, compared to last month.
Yeah, but sir, if you see in PVR, if you took position here,
my
this
position
point,
is at 1,300.
okay. If you took position here 1,300, then at least you could exit here respecting our system.
I would have exited somewhere here, yes.
Okay. So ultimately in this na profit na. Or in loss?
No, it is around maybe 2% minus, but I think this may go. Otherwise, I'll just tomorrow quit.
Okay. So if you see, sir, in this case, your entry was okay. Is this my pen is visible? You got this DI positive and negative crossover was here. But and if you exactly bought near to this EMA line, then you could exit on a profit here, somewhere here. If you,
I
you
would have
take
exited here 1350.
okay, and entry was it?
Pardon?
So if you could able to take position near 1300, and if you could exit at 1350, see this long term EMA is working as a resistance. So you could see this thing also, or you could have exited here also.
This is the 50 SMA line, this one.
Yeah. So it
And this is a
working
200.
as a resistance.
Uh,
So you could have put first target of this line, and then you could have exited. But this media index is strong sideways or in stage one. So whenever this media index will start to perform, all this stock will be out of reach.
I don't know why this guy is running very fast.
ATGL.
Uh,
Government is coming, sir.
huh?
Government is coming.
No, I already have good profit in this. Around
And
more than
ultimately, it is a
12%.
part of energy sector, sir. Whatever the energy sector, the requirement for the
सर
Make
इसी
in
का
India
वीकली
drive
चार्ट
will be
देखिए सर
there.
एक बार
Which one, sir?
सर एटीजीएल जो इन्होंने खोल रखा है इसकी वीकली तो सर आप जैसे हमें गाइड कर रहे हैं तो इसमें हमें क्या वीकली चार्ट वगैरह भी देखने चाहिए क्या मतलब जब
सर ने
हम
वीकली चार्ट ओपन किया है. I prefer see, Neeraj sir, most of the time I am sitting in front of screen. So I prefer to take on hourly chart and exiting on hourly chart most of the time.
ओके
But if you are not able to sit in front of screen, then you can prefer for daily chart also. But in daily chart, we may see the big portion of our profit goes back to the market. But same at the same time in hourly chart, we may exit, and again those stocks are moving very fast. So both the side means whatever the base footing to you, you can take that position or that time frame to use. If you see on hourly chart, this is perfectly consolidating at POC line, and from POC it is given a good breakout and goes exactly up to the top of our reversal point on hourly chart.
ट्रू
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था.
Yes,
सर जैसे मैंने अडानी ग्रीन लिया था उसमें काफी टाइम से फंसा हुआ हूँ.
yes.
यदि कल मार्केट गैप डाउन के साथ ओपन होता है, हालांकि अभी मेरी पोजीशन पॉजिटिव है 1% में, यदि कल गैप अप के साथ ओपन होता है तो उसमें क्या मैं बुक करके वैसे में निकल जाऊं?
Respect your exit system. अगर वो 200 EMA से बहुत ज्यादा दूर है, then you can take to book profit also.
ओके सर.
You need to check the history of that particular chart. You put just 200 EMA और वो देखे कि 200 EMA पे वो कब रिवर्सल हुआ है, and what is the percentage of the reversal. It is from which point it is getting reversal. That is also one kind of thing when we need to book at the top.
ओके सर.
Or you can use this reversal indicator also. The both
Yes, sir.
will work in the similar way.
ओके सर.
इसके हिसाब से तो भरत जी आई जस्ट शेयर दिस चार्ट. अदानी ग्रीन ऊपर आई थिंक रूफ को हिट किया एक्चुअली.
Now again, sir, as happened in this Hutco, this blue cloud can become wider now. So there is possibility, like Hutco 2-3 times it was written from 240 to 42. Then when it is given a breakout, then this blue cloud size will become larger for some time, then it will again start to consolidate, and again this blue line will become thinner, or blue cloud will become thinner. But if tomorrow it will give a breakout, then we don't know from where it will take reversal. So the size
sir.
of this blue cloud will going to be enlarged.
Yes, sir.
It is on AMA line. So, very center of AMA line, na?
Yeah. So,
Not far away. So you can take, you can wait little bit. मेरा suggestion है सर अगर.
yes. Either wait for to close below the AMA line, or on the daily chart, or try to book at the top.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
So anyone want to present anything?
हेलो सर.
Yeah, Dheeraj ji.
हाँ, ये मेरा पहला ही वीक है, तो यूजुअली ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम नहीं मिलता देखने को स्क्रीनर को हमारे.
Okay.
तो यदि आप सिर्फ एक स्क्रीनर पे थोड़ा हाईलाइट डालते तो माने बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे कैसे स्टडी करना है.
Okay. Let me open share this. See, if you are not able to do this in the daily time frame,
Yeah.
then prefer to look more on the reversal kind of stock. And
Okay.
make a watch list of reversal kind of stock, or look the stock which is in the range of 3 to 5%, given return in the range of 3 to 5% on the
Okay.
daily chart. In advance, see if you want to jump in this Techno-E, which is already given 18%, maybe
Right,
this can give more 5 to 10%. But if we see our stop loss,
Mhm.
according to our system, it is coming around 1246, and current stock is trading at 1418. So almost 9 to 10% risk is there. Which is
हाँ,
I'm
ये तो
not preferring to go with that. So you can see the other stocks which is in the range of 3 to 5%, and in those stocks you can see like this. We can open this GECP. Now tomorrow, don't know because when all this sector will move, the most loving sector is defense.
Right.
So it is in the range, like even in this case also 1026 and 1077. So 50 rupees kind of risk is there. So
Mhm.
it is around in the 4% of risk. So at the end of the day, you can see this kind of stock which is not move more than 5%.
Okay.
And you can make a watch list, or the best thing is to keep this watch list of this reversal stock. Continuously add this reversal stock into the watch list, and wait for the movement of particular stock.
Right. Superhero reversal.
Yeah, then you can put a alert, or you can put this. You can use alert on our chart. You can make a watch list of reversal stock, and you can put multiple alert in trading view. So you will get notification to your mobile itself, and you can take a trade if you are not live. I am trying to
Yes,
provide some good charts in our WhatsApp group, so you
Yes,
can
yes.
take that position also. But I will not suggest do your own analysis. But I am trying to provide some good chart which is coming in my screen, or what I am finding good from this screen. I used to share.
Right, sir. Right.
भूपेंद्र जी, दो सवाल है. एक तो
Yes,
मेरा एक्सपेक्टेशन थोड़ा गलत भी है, लेकिन मैं मांगता हूँ आपसे,
Yes.
ये एमए का वैल्यू इसमें डाल सकते हैं? तो ये चार्ट खोलने का पहला
Sir, your problem solution is on the way. You will get table on the along with the this indicator. We are doing fine tune of the indicators. Means we are not changing any setting. But this was your old requirement. Almost 2 months has been passed, and extremely sorry. You were took too much time. But we are putting table along with the indicator. So we will get table in your chart itself. So you
मेरा
get the data. What will be the risk percentage is there?
नहीं मेरा आई डोंट नो, सवाल मैं वापस रिपीट करता हूँ। इसमें एएमए का वैल्यू मिलेगा अपने को, उसी एक्सटेंडेड एएमए से जास्ती वो अभी चार्ट देखने से मिलते हैं अपने को। तो इफ यू हैव एएमए वैल्यू एट क्लोजिंग फिगर साथ में,
So that is not possible actually. See, this data we are catching from the side. So on that side, this indicator value will not become. We cannot put the EMA 20 also here.
वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। अभी क्या है कि एक क्लोज है,
Yeah.
तो एक क्लोज एंड वो दिन का एएमए का व्हाट इज द वैल्यू, एएमए वैल्यू ऑफ क्लोज आल्सो।
Yeah, but that we can see this data we are catching from some other websites.
अच्छा
So in that particular websites, this data will not be available.
अच्छा,
That is why we are bringing this in indicator. We are providing you a table where you will get the entire all the data, various data, the 200 EMA value, AMA value, close price with respect to AMA. So you will get all these things in the indicator itself. So once that indicator will be ready, we will intimate each one of you. You just need to again refresh your trading view, and you will get the this new indicator access.
और दूसरा जो मैं समझता हूँ कि अभी जो स्टॉक्स, व्हाट एवर स्टॉक्स आर कमिंग इन स्क्रीनर एंड जस्ट गोइंग अवे ड्यूरिंग द डे, तो वन ऑफ द गाय नो मे बी टीम में पूछे थे कि भाई शाम को आके आफ्टर ऑफिस आवर आई वांट टू सी, तो फ्यूचर में वी कैन सी ऑल द stocks who have hit, who have come into a screener, can be seen and we can study it evening. Now today evening we see only one stock today, if you see, or two stocks. तो अपने को सब स्टॉक देखने को मिलेंगे फ्यूचर में, is what I understand.
Yeah, we are trying to make a system where we will able to store the data of past 5 days, means 1 week's data we are trying to capture in somewhere, and that data will be access to all. So you will get the data of last 5 days or the 5 trading session.
तो उसमें से हम लोग सिलेक्ट करके उसको मॉनिटर मतलब वॉच लिस्ट बना सकते हैं, वो बेटर रहेगा।
Yes. So if you find that a particular stock is coming alternate day or every day, you can get a trend also. This stock is giving one day giving good return, then it is getting consolidated, again it is giving a move. So that we are working on, sir.
Thank you.
Continuous learning is a part of our community, sir. So and continuous upgradation of system is also part of our job. Dheeraj, clear regarding this screen up, or do you have any?
Yes, sir.
याला
Thank you,
मॅग्निफाय
sir.
करू शकत नाही.
See, Dheeraj, you are new. We always, see, I'm always asking people,
असं
those who
केलं
want
तर
to
हे
have one-to-one session with me. Still, I'm
Right,
again
right.
telling you the things. Whomsoever is having any doubt, which he or she is not able to ask in front of everyone because of the shy nature or because what others will think, you can just send me a DM. I will spare some time and I will do one-to-one session with you, and I will try to clear all the doubts.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Doubt related with the trading, not any other problem. I will try to clear all the doubts, whatever doubts you will have. So again,
Sure, sir, sure.
I'm asking everyone, those who want to have one-to-one session also, I am available. Just DM me. If you are not able to ask queries here, you can DM me, and I will arrange a one-to-one session on Zoom, and we will try to clear all the doubts you have.
भूपेन सर, एक क्वेरी है मेरा छोटा सा।
Yes, sir.
अपने स्क्रीनर में जो भी स्टॉक आते हैं, बाय द टाइम आई सी, बिकॉज आई डोंट डू आवरली और 2 आवरली चार्ट्स एक्सेट्रा, डे चार्ट पे, तो दे आर ऑलरेडी 5-6% अप।
Yes, sir.
तो उसका क्या सॉल्यूशन कर सकते हैं, लाइक टू गेट एन एंट्री? आई लुक एट द चार्ट बट देन इट्स अ वेरी बिग ग्रीन कैंडल, तो फिर उसके बाद लेने का मतलब नहीं है, 4-5% और चला ही गया ऊपर एएमए से।
Yes. Then, sir, do simple thing. Okay, let me again share the screen. I am opening this Techno e-chart, sir. Okay. Though it is given 17% return, correct, sir? If we convert it onto the hourly chart or the 15 minutes
आपका
chart.
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा है अभी सर।
1 minute. अभी दिख रहा है सर?
Yes, yeah.
So when you will open any chart, you will take this JKIL, and it is extended. Correct, sir? When you
Yeah.
open, it may be extended.
Huh.
Now, suppose you open it around, then just convert it into the hourly chart.
Okay.
So you have seen a big move here, sir.
Yeah.
Then on hourly chart, it is came near to our AMA line. Then you can just monitor on hourly chart. It is going to become near to our AMA line, and then you can make a position.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Or on 15-minute chart, you will get early entry. Like, see, this is given big move. On 15 minutes, it is closed down and again started to move. So, or you can see a consolidation. So try to avoid. If you able to catch here, it's okay. Otherwise, avoid, sir. That is why I said, if you are doing analysis at the end of the day, try to analyze these things, which is below
Lower
the
part.
5%.
Yeah.
So it can give good move next day. If the candle size is solid, no big wick at the top, you can look the stock which is coming at the bottom.
Okay. sir.
Okay. Any more query or doubt? Those who has any doubt or any query and unable to ask.
सर मेरा एक वो था आस्किंग थे ज्यादा मैं एक्चुअली टेक्निकल फील्ड से हूँ तो ज्यादा समय नहीं मिलता नहीं ऑफिस में ज्यादा समय गुजर जाता है आपको देख के मेरी फ्रिक्वेंसी बढ़ गई है ट्रेडिंग में
Okay.
तो मैं एक्चुअल में एक कोर पोर्टफोलियो बनाना चाहता हूँ सर स्मॉल कैप में जैसे कल्पेश सर ने एक शेयर किया था स्कीन 1 लाख रुपए एक दिन में उन्होंने
Yes.
तो वैसा कुछ पर एक क्लू अगर मिल जाता है स्क्रिप्ट अपार्ट फ्रॉम द अमाउंट जो भी उनका कि उन्होंने क्या क्या जैसे आप सीनियर्स हैं भूपेन सर हो गए आप कल्पेश सर हो गए और जो भी लोग हैं तो अगर एक स्क्रिप्ट मिल जाती है सर कि क्या क्या है तो उसको अपन एनालिसिस करके उसमें एक बना लेते हैं क्योंकि नॉट मच टाइम मिल नहीं पाता सो दैट्स व्हाई इज एक रिक्वेस्ट थी सर अगर हो पाता तो अमाउंट छोड़ दो
Myself and some senior people are working on the making the core portfolio for compounding Funda team,
यस सर
and we are working on it. Once it will complete, we will try to share with all of you. Don't worry.
थैंक यू सो मच सर
Till then, you can continue or you can coordinate with Kalpesh sir also. He will help you out. Or Rajkumar sir is also having the good small cases, so he can also share with you. Or you can directly contact with JP, who is already made his core portfolio and he is doing investment. I have not made my core portfolio. That is why I am not able to share with you. But Rajkumar sir, Kalpesh sir, and JP Sharma is having their core portfolio. So you can get the list of stock from them directly, and they will
Thank you
help
so
you
much.
out.
यस सर
भूपेश
Sir,
भाई
may I add something?
Yes.
please?
भूपेश भाई वो जो DI क्रॉसओवर का जो है ना that somehow in my indicator that has gone निकल गया है तो उसको कैसे लगाना है फिर से
Sir, are you on system?
अभी तो सिस्टम में नहीं है सर अगर बता दे तो फिर
Invite only, we have provided this DI indicator also. We just put in our name and we have provided as a invite only. So in invite only, you will get this superhero DI, ADX and DI.
नहीं ठीक है सर मैं कल आपको फिर कल
Change in the setting, you need to use the default setting only.
आई डोंट नो सर मैं कल आपको फोन करूं सर फिर
Yeah,
इसके लिए
noted this one,
हाँ?
sir. Anytime you
कल
can
शाम
connect
को
with me when you
Okay.
are on the system.
हाँ
Just
हाँ
connect with
Okay.
me. I will take your screen on any desk or any other screen sharing
यस
option,
यस
and I
यस
will
यस
do the setup.
या हेल्प मी उसमें मुझे हेल्प चाहिए सर आपका
Yes,
कल मैं
sir.
फोन करता हूँ आपको
Okay. Anyone needs any kind of help, if you have your system with any desk or any other screen sharing option, we can connect and we can do the setting also.
ओके थैंक यू सर थैंक
Okay.